Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here with our drawing of the day, and I have a really cute bug for you guys to draw with me. It's a little baby bee, and we are going to start today, well, I'm starting today with Sharpie on paper, but I would recommend, whether you guys are working on canvas or paper today, to start with pencil and eraser just in case you make some mistakes. So to start our little baby bee, I like to start with the bee's head. So the bee's head is just gonna be like a circle or an oval, just a round shape for the head. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the bee's face. So the bee's face is gonna have two big eyes, just like that. And those of you that paint with me all the time, you know I love my cutie eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put little sparkles in my eyes and then color the rest in black. So I always like to put these little sparkles in my animal eyes, or I guess in this case, in insect's eyes. So I've got two sparkly black eyes, and then I don't think bees really have noses. Maybe they do, I don't know. But I'm gonna give this bee a teeny little, just like a C shape for a nose, and I'm gonna make a happy bee, so my bee's gonna have a smile. Now, if you wanna get fancy and put eyebrows or eyelashes on your bee, you can. The next thing I'm gonna do, bees have antennas, so I'm gonna do big curly antennas like that. I kind of go like up and curl around and put a little polka dot on the end. So those are my bee's antennas. And then we're ready for the bee's body. So the bee, I want it to look like it has okay, so bees have like a stinger. So usually when I'm drawing a bee's body, I make it a little pointy at the bottom. So the way I do that is I start at the side of one cheek and I go out and I go down like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this. I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna make sure these two lines touch at a point at the bottom. So it's kind of wide here, and then it goes in and comes down, like almost like a letter V. And then after we have this little point, we need to make this look like a bee. Right now it could be a firefly, it could be any kind of bug, but what makes a bee look like a bee is the stripes. So I'm gonna do my stripes kind of curved a little bit to make the body look a little more three-dimensional, a little more round, like this. And then typically when I am doing bees, I like every other stripe to be black. So, well, because that's what they look like in real life. So they're like black and yellow. And I want my face to be yellow. Because I like the eyes to stand out and the nose, and if we made the face black, you wouldn't be able to see all these details we added. So your face, if your face is gonna be yellow, the top stripe should be black. So I'm working with Sharpie. I'm gonna go ahead, since this is black, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of color in this black stripe. Now you could do this with crayon or with paint or with colored pencil or with whatever you're working with, but since I'm already working with black Sharpie, I'm gonna go ahead and do it with Sharpie. So because this stripe is black, that means this next stripe is gonna be yellow, and this stripe is gonna be black. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of start coloring that in black. Okay, so we almost got it. And it doesn't matter if your bee's little stinger is black or yellow, as long as you start with the black right underneath the chin. So as long as this stripe is black, it doesn't matter what the bottom stripe is. As long as you keep going black, yellow, and my stinger, like the little bottom of the body, is gonna be black, but yours might be yellow, doesn't matter. All right, so I've got all the stripes on there. And so the next thing, and this is actually the last thing with our bee, is I'm gonna add the wings. So bee's wings, I do them just like this. I go like loop up, loop down, just like that. And that's my little bee. Now, if you want to put little legs on there, you can. I'm gonna leave mine simple, just like this. When you get to coloring or painting, depending on what medium you're working with, I'm working with colored pencil. The first color I like to start with is yellow. So the yellow is gonna go here on the face, like this. And I'm working pretty fast. You guys can work a little slower than I'm working. I don't like these videos to be too long. So if you guys want to like take your time and color it nicely, please do that. You don't need to work so fast. All right, so the head is going to be, the little face is going to be yellow, and then this is going to be black. So if you haven't colored this in black yet, this is black, so don't color this yet. The next yellow stripe will be the one below that. And then you're just going to keep on alternating, yellow, black, until you get to the bottom. Now, a lot of times with the wings, I know the wings are like white or they're kind of like clear, translucent, but sometimes I like to take a light blue. So if you have a light blue like I have here, sometimes I'll take a light blue and I'll just kind of like shade a little bit of them just to make them stand out against the background. So I might just take like a little bit hint of blue around the edges, maybe down the middle, just to make it stand out a little bit. And again, you don't have to do this, but sometimes I don't like to leave things completely white. So if you wanted to leave these wings white, you could. That's totally fine. Also, the background, something fun to add in the background. You guys can draw whatever you want in the background. The bee could be like living with flowers. You could have little bee friends around him. There could be some grass and some sky. Maybe it's a sunny day with the sun. That's for you guys to decide. I will let you guys decide what you want to do with that. Another thing that I do like to add though is sometimes on my cute animals like this, or cute insects, I like to put little rosy cheeks, and this one I think would be super cute with just like 2 little pink rosy cheeks. Just like that, super cute. Okay, so there's our bee, super simple, and I hope that you guys had so much fun painting or drawing this bee with me today, and join us again tomorrow for another new video at 1 p.m.